Hi everyone, my name is Thi Chambui. Today I am going to tell you about the iPhone. Today we are customize the iPhone, which is a necessary device. Every day we communicate and do many things on the iPhone, such as open Facebook, checking email, and searching something on the website. We cannot live without the iPhone. How do we feel if we lack the iPhone during a day? We feel uncomfortable. I know that most people concerned about the presence of the iPhone. The iPhone brings significance to our life. In my speech, I would like to analyze some elements of the iPhone. To begin, I have briefly add its development and features of the iPhone. The iPhone is running fast and smoothly with iOS operating system. Apple designs iOS that make the iPhone run fast and smooth. Besides that, Apple designs processors to the iPhone and the bad chips that make the iPhone run fast. The iPhone has a cache memory that also makes the iPhone run fast. RAM and ROM of the iPhone that help the iPhone run fast. Nikado 2022. Additional to the development of the iPhone is easy to use and security. With the design of iOS operating system, that makes the iPhone is used simply. Just work with the iPhone. Apple designed the iPhone with security program. They increased iOS system to 12. That helps the iPhone is used in security. That's why Apple advised their customers updates to iOS 12 for security. Besides that, the iPhone has other feature. The iPhone, we look at it, it has an environmental friendly and intelligent device. The iPhone is designed in green material by Apple. Also, Apple looks at the usage of green programs in 2015 that have reduced carbon for their device. Also, the iPhone is intelligent device. We can use new iPhone with camera and our logs app to measure rate, heart rhythm. Also in fitness, we see that the iPhone developed in high technology. The iPhone is necessary in our life, and it is significant to create human culture. Apple is trying to develop further features besides its developed and current feature to surprise customers. I believe that iPhone is your best choice. Thank you for listening to me today.